Good morning children. In the previous class we have done third question in workbook. Today we are going to do fourth question in workbook. Page number 39 workbook. Let us do the fourth question. The fourth question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using plus or minus. So we have to fill the blanks with either plus symbol or minus symbol. Let us do the A sum. What is the first question? 17 box 9 minus 4 is equals to 4. First let us place the symbol minus. Okay. If we subtract 9 from 17, we will get 8. If we subtract 9 from 17, we will get 8. And 8 minus 4 is how much? 8 minus 4 is 4. So we have to place the symbol minus in this box. Okay children. Now let us do the B sum. Let us do the B sum. B sum is 9 box 5 minus 20 minus 6 is equals to 0. 9 box 5 minus 20 minus 6 is equals to 0. Here we have to get the answer 0. So here it is given 9 box. So let us place the symbol plus and check. So 9 plus 5 is how much? 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 minus 20 minus 6 is how much? 20 minus 6 is 14. And 14 minus 14 is how much? 14 minus 14 is 0. So we have to place the symbol plus here. First we check with the symbol plus and then you check with the symbol minus. And see which symbol you have to place. Okay children? First you check the sum by placing plus symbol. Next you check the sum by placing minus symbol and check which symbol you have to place here. Okay children? Next is C sum. 11 box 28 minus 68 is equals to 240. Okay children? 11 box 28 minus 68 is equals to 240. Okay children? Here you have to place the symbol into. Here you have to place the symbol into. So 11 into 28 is 308. 11 into 28 is 308. And 308 minus 68 is equals to 240. 308 minus 68 is equals to 240. So here you have to place the symbol into. Okay children? Now let us do the D sum. Let us do the D sum. (52) box 17 minus 50 is equals to 90. 52 box 17 minus 50 is equal to 90. So let us, we have to get the result 19. Here we have to get the result 240. So we have placed the symbol into. Okay children? Here we have to get the result 19. So let us place the symbol plus. Let us place the symbol plus. 52 plus 17 is equals to 69. 52 plus 17 is equals to 69. And 69 minus 50 is equals to 19. 69 minus 50 is equals to 19. So you have to place the symbol plus here. Okay children, did you understand? Now let us do the fifth question. Okay children, now let us do the fifth question. Now let us do the fifth question. blanks. Fill in the blanks using into or divided by. Now you have to fill in the blanks using the symbols into and divided by. Okay children. In the fourth sum, one sum is wrongly given. The question is given that you have to place the symbols plus and minus. But in the C sum, we have placed the symbol into. So one sum is wrongly given in the fourth question. Okay children. Now let us do the fifth question. Here we have to fill in the blanks using the symbols into and divided by. Okay. Let us do the A sum. 10 plus 12 box 3 is equals to 66. 10 plus 12 box 3 is equal to 66. First let us place the into symbol and check the answer. 10 plus 12 is 32. 10 plus 12 is 32. Okay. 32 into 3. 32 into 3 is how much? 3 2s are 6. 3 3. Sorry children. 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. Sorry children. Here 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. 22 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So here we have to place the into symbol. Here we have to place the into symbol. Okay children. 10 plus 12 is 22 children. I have told wrongly 32. 10 plus 12 is 20. Okay, let us do the B sum. 64 into 4 box 16 into 16. Okay children. Is equals to 1. So you have to get the answer 1. 64 into 4 is 256. Similarly, 16 into 6 is equals to 256. 64 into 4 is 256. 16 into 6 is equals to 256. Here we have to place the symbol divided by. If you place the symbol into, the answer will be more. If you place the symbol into, we will get a big answer. So we have to place the symbol divided by. So if you divide 256 into 256, we will get the result as 1. So you have to place the symbol of division here. Okay children. Now let us do the C sum. Let us do the C sum. 5 box 11 minus 5 is equals to 50. Here we have to get the result as 50. So let us place the symbol into. So 11 5s are how much? 11 5s are 55. 55 minus 5 is equals to 50. So here we have to place the symbol into. Okay, now let us do the D sum. 24 divided 4 box 9 plus 2 is equals to 66. Here we have to get the result as 66. 24 divided by 4 is how much? 24 divided by 4 is 6. Similarly, 9 plus 2 is how much? 9 plus 2 is 11. So when will you get the result as 66? If you place the symbol into, then we will get the result as 66 because 6 11s are 66. Okay children? Did you understand children? This is the way of placing the symbols in the blanks. Now let us move to the sixth question. Let us move to the sixth question. So let us do the sixth question. What is the sixth question? Solve the following. Solve the following. The first question is 3 into 50 flower bracket, round bracket, 19 plus 18 minus 31 minus 24 flower bracket divided by 5. Now we have to solve this sum using the BODMAS rule. Okay children? Okay children? Now you have to solve this sum using the BODMAS rule. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the brackets. According to the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the terms in the brackets. In the brackets also there are three types of brackets. Round bracket, curl bracket and square bracket. First we have to solve the terms in the round bracket. Then we have to solve the terms in the flower bracket. And at the last we have to solve the terms in the square bracket. Now first let us solve the terms in the round bracket. Okay children? So 3 into 50 plus 2 into flower bracket, 19 plus 18 is equals to 37. 19 plus 18 is equal to 37 minus 31 minus 24 is equals to 7. 31 minus 24 is equals to 7 flower bracket divided by 5. Did you understand children? First we have to solve the terms inside the round bracket. So first we have to solve the terms in the bracket. In the brackets also first we have to solve the terms in the round bracket, then in the flower bracket, and at the last we have to solve the terms in the square bracket. Okay children? So first what we have done? We have solved the terms in the round brackets. Here 19 plus 18 is equals to 37 and 31 minus 24 is equals to 7, and at the last is given divided by 5. So we have written here as divided by 5. Now we have to solve the terms inside the flower bracket. Now we have to solve the terms inside the flower bracket. So 3 into 50 plus 2 into, so 37 minus 7 is equals to 30. 37 minus 7 is equals to 30 divided by 5. So after solving the terms in the bracket, we have to see for the off. But there are no terms with off. So next we have to move to the division. So here it is given 30 divided by 5. So first we have to solve the terms with division. 3 into 50 plus 2 into 30 divided by 5 is 6. So after division we have to do the multiplication. Here there are two terms with multiplication. Okay children, here there are two terms with multiplication. 350s are 150 plus 2 6s are 12. So now we have to do the addition. So the answer will be 162. If we add 12 to 150, we will get the answer as 162. Okay children, did you understand? First we have to solve the terms in the bracket. There are three types of brackets: round bracket, curl bracket and flower bracket. First we have to solve the terms in the round bracket. Then we have to solve the terms in the flower bracket. After that we have to solve the terms in the square bracket. After that we have to see for the terms of off. If there are no terms of off, then we have to move to the division. Here there are terms of division. After dividing, next what we have to do? We have to do the multiplication, and then we have to do the addition, and at the last we have to do the subtraction. So here first we have to solve the terms in the round brackets. There are two round brackets. So 19 plus 18 is 37. 31 minus 24 is 7. Okay children. After solving the terms in the round bracket, we have to solve the terms in the flower bracket. 37 minus 7 is 30. So after that we have to do the division. 30 divided by 5 is 6. After division we have to do the multiplication. 3 into 50 is 150. 2 into 6 is 12. So after that we have to do the addition. 150 plus 12 is 162. Okay children. Now let us do the B sum. Let us do the B sum. Now let us do the B sum. (39 minus square bracket 9 minus flower bracket 8 plus round brackets, next flower bracket and the square bracket. Flower bracket is also called curl bracket. Okay children. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the terms inside the round bracket. So let us solve these terms. Okay. 39 minus square bracket, 9 minus flower bracket, 8 plus 6 minus 5 is 1. Flower bracket. Then we have to put the square bracket. Next we have to solve the terms inside the flower bracket. So 39 minus 9 minus 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So after solving the terms in the flower bracket, we have to solve the terms in the square bracket. So 39 minus 9 minus 9 is 0. 39 minus 0 is equals to 39. Okay children, did you understand? Okay children, did you understand? First we have to solve the terms in the round bracket. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Then we have to solve the terms in the flower bracket. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Then we have to solve the terms in the square bracket. 9 minus 9 is 0. And in the last we have to do the subtraction. 39 minus 0 is equal to 39. Okay children, did you understand? This is the way of solving the sum. Okay, you do the C sum for homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.